Hello and welcome to Food Chemistry by Amruta. Today we are going to celebrate Eid by making Sheer Khurma, which is the Eid special festive dish, and I am going to introduce it how to make it in a quicker way. So first of all I would like to tell you that sheer means milk, and the khurma, which means dates. So in earlier days people used to make use of dates for making the option of sugar, as it is like alternative of sugar. And this is very simple and delicious dessert which can be served either hot or cold. And the sheer khurma was originated in Afghanistan, and it is popularly got evolved in Hyderabad over a period of time. So today, on the occasion of Eid, we are going to make the festive dessert, that is sheer khurma. For that you require simple and basic ingredients. Mainly I would like to tell you that this is the type of what we can say vermicelli. So this, you can see, it is very thin. You can get this easily in the market. You can crush it and then you can roast it. So I'm going to tell you that in the video. Next comes the ghee. So for roasting this vermicelli we are going to use ghee. Sugar, I have taken around 4 to 5 tablespoons of sugar. I'm not going to make a lot use of sugar because I don't prefer so. Few combination of dry fruits I am going to use. So this is raisins, around 25 to 30 grams. These are the almonds. I have cut it in some rough way. These are cashews. I have put them in hot water for some time so that it gets softened. Next comes the main thing, which is the condensed milk. This will give you very nice texture to your sheer khurma, that is the Vermicelli Kheer. So make sure you buy this. It is of Amul brand and I have taken hardly 200 gram of it. And last, this is boiled milk. So this is full cream milk I am going to use, and this is also like 1 full cup of milk. Let's get started with the recipe. For the vermicelli recipe, like the sheer khurma recipe, we required 2 steps. First is boiling of the milk. So take a kadhai and I have taken milk into that, and I will keep it on a low flame so that the milk get thickens and it will be good for the kheer. And simultaneously I am taking another kadhai. Into this I will put the raw ingredients and dry roast it. So let's start with that process. So now the kadhai is heated up. It's now time to put the ghee. This is 3 tablespoons ghee. Make sure the gas flame is on low. Time to add the dry fruits. So almonds, then raisins. Then comes the cashews. While the dry fruits and all the dry ingredients are getting roasted in the ghee, it's time to check the milk in between. Keep stirring it. Time to add the vermicelli. You can crush it while putting it. Mix it well. can see the milk is getting thick, and you have to take a note that you cannot make it more thick because we want the floating consistency. Now I am going to add the condensed milk. So I have taken 200 grams of condensed milk. It contains sugar, so I will not put more sugar while making my sheer khurma. Mix it well. After mixing the condensed milk, I am going to put sugar. I don't prefer more sweet, so I am going to take 3 tablespoons of sugar. Let it come to a boil, and then we can add the ghee roasted ingredients into the milk. The milk is now ready, and it's now time to put the ghee roasted ingredients. So we will put this. Now it's time to check our sheer khurma. Wow, it is almost done now, and it's ready to serve. You can serve it hot or cold depending on your choice. And I will show you the consistency. It's very delicious, you can see. You can put a little bit of cardamom powder, or it's not mandatory, like it's your choice. So I will put it, and I will be serving it because I just can't wait to taste it. My sheer khurma for today's festival is ready, and you can look at the deliciousness of my sheer khurma. It's looking yummy. I have just made a garnishing of rose petals and few dry fruits. So I hope you like my video. Please support and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching Food Chemistry for more healthy reasons. Thank you.